What's the perfect rep range? Is it 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 4 to 6? I answer that question in this video. Hi, I'm Disciplined Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. First of all, I'm gonna save you some time. There is no universal, one-size-fits-all rep range for everyone, but rep ranges are important. So I'm gonna tell you which one is best for you. Now, why do we have rep ranges? The reason is because we need to know what resistance level we need to do each exercise. Because what builds muscle is adding resistance to the contraction of the muscle. With that said, with good form and technique, and when I say form and technique, I mean actually using the muscle that you need to contract for the exercise. So form and technique is what makes it so that we can focus on the muscle, and we're not using all these other muscles in order to get that great form that we need in order to contract that muscle. Now, when we add resistance on top of that, we're getting that tremendous contraction along with a stretch. When we're doing the motion where we're going up and down or push and pull, this is where rep range takes into effect. Let's talk about our rep range 4 to 6. What does that actually mean? If you're doing a set of a rep range of 4 to 6, you want to start the struggle at 4, and it's next to impossible to do it at 6. Now, if you take a look here, I show you what it looks like, how you should be feeling of a rep range. Here's an example of what 4 to 6 should look like. And on the other side, I'm showing you what it shouldn't look like. If your reps look like how it does on the left-hand side, you need to increase resistance or increase your reps. Now, if they look like how they do on the right side, you're in that perfect rep range of resistance. So if you're doing 8 to 10, you're gonna struggle at 8, and it's gonna be next to impossible to do number 10. Now, let's say you've just finished your set and it was pretty easy for you to finish that rep range of 4 to 6. You went to 6 and it's fine. This is the time to add resistance. So the number one question that I get all the time is how much resistance or how much weight should I have to do the exercises? This is your indicator. If you've been doing consistently this certain rep range with a certain amount of weight or resistance, if you can easily get to the end of that, in the example 4 to 6, if you get to 6, now it's time to increase resistance, or you can increase your reps. What you should not do is waste your sets. So if you get to that range of 4 to 6 and you're feeling good, it's okay to keep pushing. Don't get so married to the number, because your muscles don't know about the number, but they do know when they're about to reach fatigue level. We want to make sure that we take advantage of each set. So if you do and increase that rep range, if you get to the end of that and you're doing like 2 more, go ahead and make sure that you complete all the way until failure. But on your next set, go ahead and increase that resistance. Jot that down so when you do your next workout, you know this is actually the resistance that I did. And this is gonna help you track your progress. Now, what you're here for, what you're really here for, you wanna know, what range should I be doing? The answer is all of them. They all have benefits. The reason why you want to do a variety of rep ranges is because this is going to make it so that you can shock your muscles and get blood flow to different levels of your muscles. Because if you're doing something that's 4 to 6, because it's such a shorter range, you're actually going to be using more resistance in that shorter range because it's going to be a little bit harder to fatigue. So you're going to add a lot more resistance on there. But at the same time, when you're going very light, sometimes I like to do 15 to 20 reps there. It really makes it so that you can really focus on form and get all those other muscle fibers that you can't get at 4 to 6. So you definitely want to play around with different rep ranges when you're working out. And my recommendation is about every 2 to 3 weeks, change up your rep ranges. You're gonna see a lot more different results. You're gonna make it so that you're gonna feel a lot more sore when it works out. And if this sounds all confusing for you and you're trying to figure out, okay, well, I need more of a guide, well, I got you covered. I got a workout program that you can actually join. Just hit the join button below, and that way you can get a guided day-by-day calendar with those rep ranges on there for you so you can know exactly what to do if in case you're just confused and you want more of a personal coaching. Now, I find that workout program benefits a lot of people, but if you're not looking to dive in to pay for a workout program right now, I have plenty of workouts that are free on the channel. I just highly recommend that you look at my playlist and hit that subscribe button. Get committed to going ahead and working out. So if you subscribe to the channel, you'll be able to see all those videos. And if you hit that notification bell, you won't miss a single workout because I change up the rep ranges and I show you exactly what you need to do. In addition, not only should you be changing up your reps, you should be doing different types of reps. And if you're curious what those reps are, go ahead and check out this video here. It's called All Reps Matter, and this will show you exactly the different types of reps that you can do so you can get results a lot faster. And if you're ready to dive in and go ahead and work out, check out this playlist here, and I show you exactly what to do right at home.